How to add your own music or sound to videos before uploading to TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type VN Video Editor. Now click on search. Now tap on VN Video Editor and install this application. After installing, simply open this application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on New Project. Now tap on Save. Now select the video and tap on Next. Now select the clip, tap on Volume. Now set the volume to 0. Now tap on the tick icon. Now tap on the plus. Now tap on the music icon. Now select music. Now give the permissions. Now tap on My Music. Now select File App. Now tap on OK. Now select the audio you want to Now select the audio you want to use. Now tap on the audio. Now select the folder. Now go to your folder and tap on Use button. Now tap on tick icon. Now once you're done, simply tap on the export at the top right corner. Now tap on export. Now after exporting, go back to the home screen. Now open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select gallery. Now give the permissions and select the video you want to upload. Now tap on next and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.